Hi, my friend. Uh-oh, what's that in the sky? Dark clouds are coming. A big storm is on the way. Dora and Boots need to warn all their friends in the forest before the storm hits. With the help of map, we'll go through the river, the big hill, and they'll get back home before the rain starts. Can you help Dora and Boots stay safe and warn everyone about the storm? Vámonos! Dora say, "Hi, I am Dora." Boots say, "I am Boots." Dora see Boots and I are looking at the clouds. Do you like to look at the clouds? Yes, Dora. Dora see me too. Can you find a cloud that looks like a teddy bear? Yes, Dora did. Boots say, "Yeah, I see the teddy bear." Boots say, "Hey, Dora, what kind of cloud is that?" Dora see that a storm cloud, Boots. A big storm cloud. Dora and Boots see a big storm cloud. Big storm cloud say, "Rain, rain, rain, here I come, ha ha ha. I've got lots of rain, ha ha ha." Shh. Dora see Boots, we have to warn everyone in the forest to get home fast, so the big storm cloud doesn't rain on them and get them wet. We need something we can use to make a very loud noise to warn everyone. I need your help. Will you check backpack for something to make a very loud noise? Yes, Dora. Dora see backpack. Backpack. Backpack, backpack. Backpack, backpack, yeah. Dora needs us to find something that will make a really loud noise. Will this make a loud noise? No, backpack. Backpack see, will this make a loud noise? Yes, backpack. Backpack see, it will. A horn will make a loud noise. Wow, that is a loud noise. Good work. Yum, 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 yum. Delicioso. Abu say, "Can I blow the horn?" Dora say, "Sure, blow it loud." Abu say, "Watch out for the big storm cloud." Dora say, "Cuidado con la nube de tormenta." Dora say, "Boots, we have to hurry home too. We need to find the quickest way to my house. Who to ask for help when we don't know which way to go?" The map. Boots say, "The map." Dora say, "Will you check the map and find the quickest way to my house?" Yes, Dora. Dora say, "See map. Map. If there is a place you got to go, I am the one you need to know. I am the map. I am the map. I am the map. If there is a place you got to get, I can get you there, I bet. I am the map. 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 I am the map." Hurry! Dora and Boots wanna know the quickest way to Dora's house. Well, I know the quickest way. First you go around the red bush, then go through the dirty forest, and that's how we'll get to Dora's house. So tell Dora, bush, forest, Dora's house. Say it with me. Bush, forest, Dora's house. Bush, forest, Dora's house. Bush, forest, Dora's house. Dora say, "How do we get to my house?" Bush, forest, Dora's house. Picasa. We go around the red bush, through the dirty forest, and that's how we get to my house. Thanks for helping. Do you see the red bush? Yes, Dora did. Dora say, "Right, there it is. And let's go warn everyone that the big storm is coming. Come on, sit with us. Bush, forest, Dora's house. Bush, forest, Dora's house. Bush, forest, Dora's house. Bush, forest, Dora's house." Come on, vámonos. Everybody, let's go. Come on, let's get to it. I know that we can do it. Where are we going? Dora's house. 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 Dora's house. Toot! Big storm clouds see, "Rain, rain, rain." But see, Dora, did you hear that? Dora see, it sounds like the big storm cloud is gonna try and derail us. Will you watch out for the big storm cloud? Yes, Dora. Dora see, if you see the big storm cloud, yes, storm! Storm! Dora see, what's that? Do you see the big storm cloud? Yes, Dora. Big storm cloud see, ha ha ha, gonna rain on you. Oh, you're gonna get wait. But see, Dora, it's catching up to us. Dora said, don't worry, Boots. I know a song that will make the big storm cloud go away. Rain, go away. Come again some other day. Rain, go away. Come again some other day. Big storm cloud, yeah, I really don't like that song. Dora see, come on, sing with me. Rain, go away. Come again some other day. Big storm cloud, see, whoa. Dora bushing, yay. Dora see, thanks for singing. Big storm cloud, see, I'll be back. Boots say, he'll be back. Dora see, come on, Boots. We better warn everyone. Boots see, watch out for the big storm cloud. Dora see, cuidado con la nube de tormenta. Boots see, look, Dora, did it push. Dora see, look, the big storm cloud is in it for the little animals. Boots see, and the little animals can't find their homes. Dora see, will you help the little animals find their homes? Yes, Dora. Dora see, great. First we had to help the bee find his home. Bee see, where is my home? There, teeth. Bee see, thanks for helping me find my home. And say, where is my home? Teeth, there. And say, thanks for helping me find my home. Bee bluebird say, don't disturb mi casa. Teeth, there. Bee bluebird si, gracias por ayudarme en encontrar mi casa. Bird family si, gracias. Dora see, you got all the animals all safe and sound. Boy see, just in time too, because here comes the big storm cloud. Dora see, come on, we have to sing to make the storm cloud go away. Sing with us. Rain, go away. Come again some other day. Rain, go away. Come again some other day. Big storm cloud see, whoa. Adios, yay. Big storm cloud see, I'll be back. The three of us stop pass out play happy tune. Dora see, whoa, we made it around the red bush. But see, we're next. Dora see, bush, forest, Dora's house, mi casa. We went around the bush. So next comes the dirty forest. Dora see, the forest, right? The dirty forest. Do you see the dirty forest? Hasta luego, amigos. See you soon. Bye bye.